Imagine a scenario in which a single unit of currency, in this case the XRP, could be worth as much as a modest automobile or even a year's worth of tuition at a prominent institution or college. This is not a typical daydream, rather, it is a daring prediction made by the chief executive officer of Ripple, who asserts that the value of XRP will reach the astronomical amount of $15,000. An allegation of this nature not only shocks the financial community, but it also reshapes the potential for Ripple. Despite the fact that it is frequently misunderstood as only a cryptocurrency, it is truly much more. It is a platform for the processing of payments that enables quick monetary transactions to take place across international borders. The digital currency that functions within the Ripple network is known as XRP, and it is an essential component in the process of permitting international commerce of goods and services. XRP transactions, in contrast to those of many other cryptocurrencies, are renowned for their speed and low fees, which makes it an appealing investment instrument for banks and other financial organizations. The technology that underpins Ripple makes it possible for a transaction to be resolved in a matter of seconds. In comparison to more conventional ways or even other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which can take up to an hour to complete, this process is substantially faster. It is precisely because of this efficiency that more than 100 banks from all around the world have joined the Ripple network. The protocol that Ripple uses functions in a manner that is distinct from that of Bitcoin or Ethereum. The blockchain mining process is not utilized. Instead, a one-of-a-kind distributed consensus technique is utilized to arrive at an agreement on a transaction, which results in a higher rate of speed and lower energy consumption. The ramifications of such a technology are enormous, and it has the potential to completely transform the way foreign money is transferred. A statement that has garnered a lot of attention was recently made by Ripple's CEO. His assertion was that the value of XRP might potentially reach $15,000 in the future. In order to put this into perspective, the price of XRP is approximately 40 cents as of the beginning of the year 2024. This kind of forecast indicates that there will be a significant increase of roughly 37,400%. Not only is this audacious declaration founded on the optimism of the market, but it is also founded on a number of strategic measures that Ripple has planned. With the intention of increasing its usefulness and integrating with a greater number of financial institutions, Ripple's expanding influence in the financial sector and its increasing acceptance by major banks throughout the globe are likely the sources of the CEO's faith in the cryptocurrency. During the cryptocurrency craze that occurred in January 2018, XRP achieved its all-time high near $3.84. This was a historical precedent. Despite the fact that the present claim appears to be exaggerated in comparison to its previous performance, it is vital to have a solid understanding of the elements that could be responsible for such development, which we shall investigate in the following sections. It is possible that the possibility for XRP to achieve the forecasted price of $15,000 might be considerably impacted by a number of important factors, including market movements. It is possible that the acceptance of cryptocurrencies will continue to increase as they become more widespread. This might lead to an increase in demand for XRP, particularly in its application for international transactions and payment settlements, as well as global financial movements. There is a possibility that central banks and other financial institutions may choose platforms such as Ripple that support transactions in a swift and efficient manner if they move toward cryptographic currencies. Progress in technological innovation. Ripple is constantly working to improve its technology in order to bring about transactions that are both quicker and more secure. A further increase in the appeal of XRP could be achieved by the implementation of innovations such as the introduction of smart contract capabilities or advancements in transaction privacy. However, the path to $15,000 is plagued with obstacles, such as regulatory restrictions and market volatility, both of which will be discussed in the following section of this article. It is not uncommon for Ripple and XRP to be the subject of controversy, particularly in relation to the difficulties they encounter in terms of legal and regulatory issues. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission is involved in one of the most significant legal challenges, which has consequences for the categorization of XRP as a security. Ripple has been surrounded by ambiguity as a result of this continuing litigation, which may have an impact on investor confidence and may impede the adoption of the cryptocurrency by some institutions. There is also a significant role played by market skepticism. However, despite the fact that it has a number of technological advantages, XRP has been attacked for being centralized. Ripple Labs is the owner of a substantial piece of the XRP tokens network. This centralization is a contentious issue for many members of the cryptocurrency ecosystem who advocate for decentralized models that are analogous to Bitcoin. To add insult to injury, the entire Bitcoin market is notorious for its lack of stability. There are a number of factors that might cause significant price fluctuations, including global economic events, shifts in regulatory frameworks, and even important opinions that are shared on social media. The investment in XRP or any other cryptocurrency is subject to a significant amount of risk due to the volatility of the market. XRP presents a one-of-a-kind set of characteristics and difficulties when compared to some of the most prominent cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, which is frequently referred to as digital gold, is characterized by a high degree of decentralization and security, and it has the majority of the market capitalization in the cryptocurrency industry. The Ethereum blockchain, on the other hand, is distinguished by its comprehensive smart contract functionalities, which have positioned it as the foundation of the decentralized finance and non-fungible token industries. The XRP, although it does not directly compete with Bitcoin or Ethereum in their core areas, it does carve out a niche for itself in the field of international money transactions that are both quick and inexpensive. In contrast, its market capitalization and volume are substantially lower, and its utility, despite its growing popularity, is now more specialized than those of other platforms. When determining whether XRP has the ability to reach the heights that Ripple's CEO has stated, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of these distinctions. Depending on the characteristics and applications that are specific to each cryptocurrency, each one has carved out its own route. Regarding the big claim made by the CEO of Ripple, professional communities in the fields of finance and cryptocurrency are divided. If the network continues to win important collaborations, and if there is considerable improvement in cryptocurrency adoption by large financial institutions, then some analysts believe that a target of $15,000 for XRP is not wholly beyond of the range of possibility, despite the fact that it is a lofty goal. On the other hand, there are other experts who claim that the prediction is excessively optimistic and possibly even unrealistic when taking into consideration the existing regulatory demands and the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Investors are cautioned about the high-risk nature of such predictions, and they are advised to take a more conservative stance. The stark contrast between these points of view draws attention to the speculative character of cryptocurrencies and emphasizes the importance of conducting exhaustive research and conducting risk assessments before making any investments. There is the potential for significant repercussions for the international monetary system in the event that the price of XRP reaches $15,000. To begin, it would be indicative of a significant rise in the total market capitalization of XRP. It has the potential to become one of the most valuable assets in the world, on par with big traditional assets such as gold because of its status. The dynamics of international finance could be altered as a result of this scenario, with Ripple having the potential to become the primary platform for international money transactions. It is also possible that it will encourage central banks and financial regulators to advance the development of their digital currencies more quickly or to implement rules that are more favorable to cryptocurrencies. An increase of this magnitude, on the other hand, can also result in instability in the market. A bubble can be created when there is a rapid increase in the value of an asset. If it were to burst, it would likely result in severe market corrections, which would not only have an impact on the cryptocurrency markets but could also potentially spread to other areas of the financial industry. For the purpose of enhancing the capabilities of its network, Ripple is always working to advance its technical stack. The RippleNet platform, which enables real-time messaging, clearing, and settlement of financial transactions, has undergone recent enhancements that are among the innovations that have been made. Due to the fact that it creates a bridge across different currencies during a transaction, this technology is directly helpful to XRP currency. New applications for XRP could be made possible by further technological developments, such as improvements in cryptography technology or the integration of blockchain with developing technologies such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. This would lead to an increase in the cryptocurrency's adoption rate and possibly its price. The purpose of these technological advancements is not only to improve the efficiency of